Downloading data from Apple TV Plus allows you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies offline. Follow these steps to easily download content to your device. Step 1. Open the Apple TV app. Launch the Apple TV app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID that has an active Apple TV Plus subscription. Step 2. Browse for content. Navigate through the app to find the show or movie you want to download. You can use the search feature or browse through categories to locate your desired content. Step 3. Check for download option. Once you have selected the content, look for the download icon, which typically looks like a downward arrow. Not all content may be available for download, so ensure the download option is visible. Step 4. Start the download. Tab on the download icon to begin downloading the selected content. You may see a progress indicator showing the download status. Step 5. Access downloaded content. After the download is complete, go to the library section of the app. Here, you will find your downloaded content available for offline viewing. Now you can enjoy your favorite Apple TV Plus shows and movies anytime, anywhere, without needing an internet connection.